Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're on deck 11's room 709. Let's tag in. Alright, once you enter the room, you have a full length mirror. And of course you'll have your table with power, USB, 220, and then the light for the mirror, the vanity mirror. Miscellaneous, I've got my clock set up here. Alright, then we have the closet. I got my clothes in there, the safe, and some shelving there. Drawers on the bottom, 2 of them. Okay, this is a virtual room, so that's why this is here. And I guess it's seen better days, because you would think with full sun, the picture out there would be better, you would think. So, yeah, it's seen better days. And we'll see what it takes to turn that off. I don't know if I want that on all day and night. But anyways, we have our TV. This one comes with a kettle. Alright, which is kind of interesting. Hair dryer in the drawer there. Of course, the chiller right here. There we go. And then drawers here for you to use. And since I'm in here by myself, I did not have it separated. But this room also has storage up here if you need it, above the bed, on both sides. The phone is just that, a phone with no power accessories, looks like. Yep. And the light switch for this is just right there like that. Okay, let's go back out. Take a look at the room over here. And of course, the main wall switch and an outlet over there by the bed on that side. Let's go to the restroom. We have a full shower. I love these large showers. They're very comfortable to, use. And then, of course, we have the shelving, the larger sink, and then the basic amenities in here. So, that's it. And to show you where we are on the map, here we go, guys. Our muster, we are right here at the back of the ship. Okay, it's a good long walk. Thank you for watching another video. Thank you for subscribing, guys, and as always, have a great day. Take care now. Bye. All right, after leaving port, the screen got much clearer, and you can really tell that it looks like something out there in the ocean. Now, which side of the ship, I don't know, but the image is much clearer. Still haven't figured out how to way of turning it off if I don't want it, because but it gives a nice ambient light to the room once you close it a little bit at night, so that you have a little bit of night light. So not all bad.